Hi everyone, my name is Sophia, you with SoYoga, and for today I have prepared for you one more Yoga Foundations video. We will balance in three poses, Vriksasana. Ready? We are standing in Tadasana, mountain pose. So bring the feet together, ground all four corners, exactly as in Tadasana. Activate the thighs, pull the abdomen in, tuck the tailbone in. Good. Now from here, ground your left foot. We'll start by lifting the right foot up. So ground all four corners of the left foot. Lift the right heel. Maybe pause here and slowly bring the knee into the chest. Hug it in. Inhale here and exhale. Good. Now left hand comes to the waist. Start opening the right knee to the right side. Grab the right ankle and bring the foot to the inner thigh. So the right foot is pressing the left inner thigh and keep squeezing them, keep activating the muscles from the calf thighs of the left leg. Squeeze the glutes and keep your hips open, keep your shoulders open. Good. You can bring the hands in front of the heart center into a prayer position, or whenever you're ready, lift them up. Keep pressing your legs, keep engaging the muscles, and feel the gravity center in the left foot. To come out from the pose, bring the hands in front of the heart center. Slowly release the right foot down and maybe shake the legs before you switch. There are a few variations you can do in three pose Vrikshasana, especially if you're losing balance, if you're still working on getting into the pose. Always remember to search for one not moving single point in front of you to focus on. After that, you can always use the wall and be close to the wall so that it can support you in case you start moving to any side. Good. Now let's bring the hands on the waist. To start with the first variation, so we will lift the right heel from the ground, the toes are tucked in, we'll open the right knee and right foot to the side, we'll keep the hips open and we'll just press the right heel to the left ankle. Keep activating the muscles of the left leg and keep squeezing the glute and lengthening the spine by tucking the tailbone in. So in case your hips are pushing the sit bones back, bring them in. Variation number one. In case you would like to increase the intensity, you might just bring the foot to the calf muscles, to the inner side of your left leg, and stay here. The next variation is the one that we have done before, when we are lifting the leg completely up and pressing it to the left inner thigh. Do not put any additional pressure on your knee by placing the foot around the knee area. So either you place the foot above the knee or below the knee. How to position your hands. So they can be on the hips until you find your balance to place them in front of the heart center. Next step will be to lift the arms up with palms together or palms open. If you find your stability here in the pose, you can lift the gaze up. Ready? Let's do three pose Vrikshasana together. Come into Tadasana, ground the feet, ground all four corners of the feet. Maybe lift the toes just to feel how the gravity center is in the middle. Good. Engage the thighs to pull the kneecaps on, tuck the tailbone, hug your abdomen, bring the hands alongside the body, relax your toes. Good. At all times, keep your shoulders relaxed. Now from here, ground the left foot and slowly start bringing the right knee into the chest. Hug the knee and maybe stay here for a few breaths before bringing the left hand to the waist and start opening the right leg to the side and bringing the right foot to the left groin. With the right foot, press your left inner thigh and keep pressing them together. Now draw the palms in front of the heart center and focus in one point in front of you. For one, keep your shoulders relaxed. 2, lift your arms above the head. 3, 4, keep your left leg muscles active and hips open. 5, 6, 7, focus on the breath in and out through the nose. 8, and 9. Slowly bring the hands back to the heart center, back to the hips. Bring the right knee in and relax the leg. Shake the legs, because if you have done the correct position, if you have engaged your left leg, we should be feeling the muscles from the calves up to the hips and glutes especially. Good. Now let's go to the left side. Ground your right foot. Inhale, lift the left knee, hug it into the chest. Keep pressing your right foot down. Keep your toes relaxed, so in case you're drawing them in to hook yourself with the mat, you will not hook yourself more than by placing the foot flat down, and this will give you enough stability to stay grounded, balanced, and rooted. Good. Now from here, right hand comes to the waist. Open the left knee to the side. Grab the left ankle and press the foot to the inner side of the right leg. So either up or somewhere below the knee. Bring the hands in front of the heart center. Keep pressing your foot, squeezing the glutes, and keep your right muscles active. Good. Slowly lift the arms above the head. 1, 2, keep focusing on the breath. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Slowly start bringing the hands in front of the heart center, back to the waist. Help your left knee to come to the center and release the foot down. Shake your legs. This is 3-pose Vriksasana. There are definitely more benefits than contraindication in this pose. If you suffer from vertigo or epilepsy, of course, balancing asanas might trigger symptoms, so you might likely avoid it. If you don't feel comfortable balancing, you might like to use the support of the wall behind you until you feel confident enough to go on your own far from the wall. Vriksasana 3 pose, it's a favorite pose for many people. There are many reasons for that. It is a balancing pose that it also opens your hips, it tones the legs muscles, and it strengthens your spine. It improves the concentration and it brings balance between your body and your mind. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and get notifications the next time when I post a new video. See you very soon on the mat. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.